Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to mathematics, and we are solving A-level CI's paper Pure Maths 1, paper code 9709, variant 12, October November 2025. Question number 3. The graph y is equals to f of x is transformed to the curve y is equals to f of 3x plus 2. Describe fully a sequence of transformations that have been combined, making clear the order in which the transformations have been applied. So what we are supposed to do in this is we have to see which series of transformations are applied. As you can see, this is applied first inside the function on f of x, that its x is multiplied by 3. So what does it represent? It represents a horizontal stretch, or what we also call to be stretch parallel to x-axis. By a factor 1/3. Okay, this is the first set of transformation that has happened. Then secondly, what has happened, that your whole y is being added with 2. That means it is representing translation. So translation is mostly represented by translation vector, translation by a vector, nothing in x direction, but positive 2 in y direction means it is shifted 2 units up. So you can also write it as translation by vector 0, 2, or translated 2 units up. Okay, this is your part A. Now let's talk about part B. Now they say a sequence of transformation is applied to the graph y is equals to f of x to give the graph y is equals to g of x stretched parallel to y-axis with a scale factor 3. Okay, now the stretch is parallel to y-axis, so it would be 3 times. Now g of x would be 3 times f of x, and reflection in y-axis means the whole, if it is reflected in y-axis, for example, assume this is a curve, this is reflected in y-axis. So y-axis is this axis, so it is reflected, so it will become here. So which thing is reversed? This, if it was 3, then it becomes -3. So the x coordinates have changed their signs. So that means 3 times f of minus x, because x signs are changing. Okay, this is how your reflection in y-axis will be represented in terms of an equation. So this is all about your question number 3. I hope you get it. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.